Good morning, friends. Last lecture we have to discuss the ceramic method. Okay, ceramic method, and we have to also discuss about the ceramic method technique and the carbothermal reaction that involves the four steps. And we have to discuss in the last lecture. Okay, in this lecture we have to discuss the decomposition of the precursor compound. Okay, you have to know about the precursor. Precursors means it is a indications means indication is component means firstly you have to indicate component, you have to decompose it. Then the first point of this point, that is about the synthesis of the complex oxide by the decomposition of the precursor compound, has been known. Means you have to synthesize the complex oxide. Okay, you have to synthesize the complex oxide, and that is a decomposition by, means you have to synthesize the complex oxide, and that synthesis of the complex oxide, it is by the decomposition of precursor compound. Means your precursor compound uh, you have to decompose it, and it is useful for the synthesis of complex oxide. Okay, then second point is about the ferrite spinel of the general formula is MFe2O4, that is a capital M is a magnesium, manganese, nickel, cobalt are prepared by the thermal decomposition of the acetate. Means therefore the ferrite spinel of the general formula, means this is the general formula of the ferrite spinels of the general formula is about the MFe2O4. Okay, MFe2O4, it is a general formula of ferrite spinel. Then into bracket capital M, you have to put up also the capital M is equal to magnesium, manganese, nickel and cobalt. Okay, this is the metal atoms, and they are prepared by thermal decomposition of acetate. Means therefore your ferrite spinel of the general formula MFe2O4, and that is are prepared by the thermal decomposition of acetate. Means thermal decomposition of the acetate, you have to form the ferrite spinel. Means this ferrite spinel, it is prepared by the thermal decomposition of acetate. Okay, then nextly the precursor of this type, that is a M3Fe6CS3COO 17O3OH and 12C5H5En, it is a chromides of the types. Means this is a precursor of the type, means the M3Fe6CS3COO 17O3OH 12 C5H5En. Okay, this is the precursor of the type, and this is also the chromite of this type. Okay, then secondly the MCr2O4. Okay, MCr2O4 means M is a metals, and therefore it is a metallic Cr2O3 are obtained by the decomposition of the diammonia. Means this MCr2O4, it is obtained by the decomposition of the NH4 2. Okay, you have to decompose the NH4 2, therefore you have to formation of the MCr2O4. Okay, and that decomposition of the MCrO4 dot S2O, you have to formation of MCr2O4. Means firstly you have to decompose the MCrO4 dot 6H2O, and it is formation of the MCrO2. Okay, then nextly the formation of the BaTiO3 from the decomposition of the barium tinyl oxalate, which best represented as, means your formation of the barium titanium trioxide, it is from the decomposition of barium titanium oxalate. Means this is the beryllium titanium oxalate. Okay, that is the formula is represented as the Ba2Ti2O2C2O44. Okay, this is the formula of the barium titaniolo oxide. Okay, then nextly this is the reaction of this precursor of the compound, that is a Ba2Ti2O2C2O4. It gives as the one CO molecule, it is a as a side product, it is a removed, therefore it is formation of Ba2Ti2O2 C2O4 thrice CO3. Okay, then nextly the Ba2Ti2O5 CO2 CO3, it gives as Ba2Ti2 O3 CO3 and the CO2. Okay, this is all about the reaction between the precursor of the compound. Okay, look at this diagram. The diagram shows that the distribution of the two different cation. Okay, you have to distribute the two different cations. that is a closed and open rings, and therefore it rectangulate and the diffraction distance in the ceramic procedure at the precursor compounds or the precursor solid solution. This diagram, this figure 4.1, this diagram, it shows that the distribution of the two different cation, it is a rectangle particles, and the diffusion in a ceramic procedure is a precursor compound or the pressure solid solution. Okay, this is also the point we have to discuss in this precursor compound. Okay, then the Ba2 Ti2O5 CO3, it gives as 2Ba TiO3 plus CO2. Okay, therefore you have to know about the tin titanium dioxide trioxide. It can be prepared by making use of carboxylic acid and the alkoxide precursor as the follows, that is about the PbOH twice plus CH2O, it gives as CH3O CH2OH, and the Pb is a precursor, it is after the dehydration. The TiO IP4 CH3O CH2 CH2OH, it is a titanium precursor. Okay, then the secondly, the prepare the PbZr1 minus X and the titanium XO3 and such oxides, the following procedure can be employed. Okay, you have to look at this procedure. That procedure, it says that ACO3 plus 2H2O CCr4 CCr2OH, therefore it is gives as the A into bracket O2C Cr2OH twice plus CO2A CaSrPb. Okay, this is the reaction of the precursor. Then the metal ceramic compound such as Fe-Al2O3 has been prepared by thermal decomposition of common complex ammonium oxalate procedure. Okay, you have to know about the metal ceramic compound. Okay, you have to know about the metal ceramic compounds, and that compound, it is a Fe-Al2O3, and it have been prepared by thermal decomposition of complex, means this component metallic ceramic composition, it is prepared by the thermal decomposition of the ammonium oxalate precursor. Okay, this is the first point. Then second point is about the carbonate metals such as calcium, magnesium, titanium, ferrous, cadmium, zinc. It is also the material possessing a calculate structure. Okay, then nextly the prepare the large number of the carbonate functions, and these solutions are excellent precursor of the synthesis oxides and diffusion considerably lower than in the ceramic procedure. Okay, you have to know about the prepare the large number of carbonate solid solution. You have to prepare the large number of carbonate solution solid solution, and therefore it containing two or more cations, in this different proportion, and this solid solution is excellently and the precursor of the synthetic modes considerably lower than that of the ceramic procedure. Okay, then the rhombohedral cell parameter QR carbonate solid solution, it is a systematically with the wave mean with the cations. Okay, this is the point we have to discuss in the precursor compound. Then the fossil formation of the oxide of the rock salts structure by the decomposition of the carbonates of the calcite structure is due to the relationship between the structure of the chalcite and the rock salt. Okay, you have to very known about the fossil formation. Okay, that fossil formation of the oxide of the rock salt structure, it is a decomposition of the carbonate, means your fossil formation of the oxide, and therefore your rock salt structure is changes, and therefore it decomposition of the carbonate मध्ये काय करतो decomposition करतो, and the calcite structure, and calcite structure is due to close the relationship between structure calcite and the rock salt. Okay, then the Ca2Fe2O3 defectiveness of the ordinary oxide ion vaccine. Next time we have to discuss this Fe3 plus ion in alternate octahedral and the tetrahedral sites. Okay, thank you.